Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber, and if you're new here, I am the cooking nurse. If you've been here, yes, I am the cooking nurse, and I am sure you've not seen my face before because usually I don't really show up in my videos, but today I'm here because it's a special occasion, it's a special celebration, and if you can check my subscription number down below, it's 1K. There's a K. Yeah, so that's why I showed up today to just say thank you. Thank you to everyone who was here when I started. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, who has shared with their friends and family, who has shared my links, who has talked about me on any form of social media, anywhere, word of mouth, anything that you've done. Just know I'm really grateful, and I'm here to say thank you. This journey started back last year, 2020, in April. On the 23rd is when I posted my first video, and as the cooking nurse, I create content about food, and growing from 0 to 1,000 really shows me that you people like my content, and I should put in more energy because this video you're going to see what people have been able to put together for me to just motivate me to keep going, to keep doing this, because if you know where I stay in Uganda, it's not really a big deal being out there and you're saying you're a content creator, I create content for YouTube. People don't really buy that. But I just say thank you to those who bought it. Thank you to those who keep on supporting me. The person who sent me a gift today, just now, my heart is melting. I'm really hard to surprise and please, but you did it. And I'm here to say thank you. Thank you so much once again. And I'm just going to say that we are going to grow much more better than this. And I hope to be with you still when we receive the main gift from YouTube itself. So this first gift we received is from our friend, a subscriber, a lover, and a well-wisher, and I hope it motivates us. It motivates me to keep going and growing. So let's see what he sent us. Okay, so in front of me is the gift I was telling you about, celebrating 1,000 subscribers. And before we go far, I just want to maybe open it and then tell you more about it. And I just remembered I did not carry a knife to open this whole box and show you guys. So let me bring it. Don't go away. We have a knife. I'm just going to use this small one to just open this box and show you guys what is inside. Ooh. One of the moments I really wish I had no one in the house, okay? Because look at this. I'm going to cut into it and someone on the camera, Kirian, I needed some pieces. How sad. So, Martha, I know this is a perfect icing. I wish I could just stuck it in my fridge and just keep looking at it every time I wake up. They just have to cut it. I know some people are just waiting, cut the cake, cut the cake, cut the cake. So let me just do it. And I don't have really those fancy knives, so we're just going to use this one. When we reach 100 subscribers, I promise you, we will have knives for everything. So don't worry. Ooh, guys, I already have my fork. I cannot wait to test the best. And you can have the tiny one.
Seriously?
So, there you go. The cameraman ate it. Was meant for you guys. I don't mean to make an advert for Martha, but it's unavoidable. Just give her business. Just do it anyway. So you guys, I know it is something that is really so small for someone to be celebrating 1K subscribers compared to other people on YouTube, but I would love to tell you that this means something to a small YouTuber who's just starting, and more so of my type. So 1K is one of those really fast milestones you have to hit if you want to become a serious YouTuber or be recognized as a content creator. And here we are, we have hit that one off. We still have to hit other targets, and I hope we are still going to be together. So let's enjoy this cake. I just hope that you can go down and watch some of the videos that I've already posted about cooking, some recipes, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye. I'm not saying nothing, I'm eating cake. We are done with the video, guys. You can see the recording as I finish this one off. Oh, every time I hit a milestone, please buy me cake. Okay? And you guys also send me gifts. So I've read some people, they tell me in my inbox, buy me gifts.